Oh, hi, I'm Grace Anderson. Are you looking for relationship coaching? If yes, you've come to the right place. I would like to walk you through some of what I do to help my clients succeed. Are you currently in a very happy relationship? If yes, big congratulations. Thumbs up to you and your partner. You deserve a gold medal. It can be really hard to keep a relationship between a couple truly happy. This is because there are always all kinds of issues at stake, and they tend to get in the way of a couple's happiness. Things like poor communication skills, not listening actively to one another, or not making yourself clear, lack of emotional intelligence, failing to understand your partner's point of view, taking each other for granted, stopping to do those things that actually attracted you to each other in the first place, expecting too much from your partner and giving very little in return, refusing to accept your failings or refusing to change some bad habits you have, not being helpful around the house or with the children if you have any, and constantly finding faults with your partner's actions, not being appreciative of your partner's efforts. The list goes on. If you are not truly happy in your current relationship, don't despair. You are not the only one. But do you have to remain unhappy in that relationship? No, you don't, because you can make it better. All you need really is my relationship coaching to show you tried and tested strategies that can help you and your partner change your relationship for the better. That is, if you really want to. It all depends on you both. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a miracle worker, but a miracle can happen for you if you truly wish it and consistently and conscientiously apply the strategies that I will share with you and your partner because they have worked for my many clients. Here are a few of my many testimonials. Here's what one of my very happy clients said after their relationship coaching sessions with me. My name is Florence. I'm very grateful to Dr. Anderson for helping us save our marriage. When we started our coaching sessions with her over the phone, we were a bit skeptical, wondering what she could do for us that we hadn't already done before. However, her methodical way of looking at details and setting us goals made it so much easier for us to look at our marital problems dispassionately and gradually arrive at a peaceful and amicable settlement. My husband and I are now very happy together, and I highly recommend Dr. Anderson as a relationship coach. Here's what an international CEO who works with very big companies around the world said about my spiritual stroke work-life balance coaching to help save his at-risk marriage. My name is Frank. Being an executive consultant for several high-profile companies, I work away from home a lot, traveling to France, Switzerland, America, China, and other places around the world. I just could not find the time to say my prayers, read the Bible, or be in a spiritual communication with God and my family. Funnily enough, I began to feel quite depressed about this inadequacy in my life, and I needed help. A friend recommended Dr. Anderson to me, and I gave her a call. Her initial free 1-hour assessment session with me made me realize that I was with the right coach. She guided me in restructuring my priorities, insisting on necessary actions being taken by me, which helped me achieve my short-term goals. Within a few weeks, my spiritual life was back on track. Needless to say that myself and my wife are now very happy. All thanks to Dr. Grace. Here's another testimonial from a client who could not communicate appropriately with his wife, and they were on the verge of filing for a divorce. My name is Robert, and I'm a senior teacher in London. I came to Dr. Grace with this complaint. My wife and I are not able to communicate. She prefers to confide in her father rather than me. I don't know how to get her to trust me or to begin to confide in me as before. This is very upsetting for me, and I feel I'm losing her. I don't know what to do. After a few sessions coaching with Dr. Anderson on how to communicate effectively with my wife, and my wife also had some sessions with her, we began to communicate better and more effectively. We are so much happier now, and I'm really grateful to Dr. Grace for her help. I can help you too. Let's look at some of my techniques. My relationship coaching techniques include the following. 1. Effective listening to what you have to say about your situation. Number 2. Digging deep to find out what the root problem is through very effective questioning. Number 3. Helping you understand each other's love language as detailed by Dr. Gary Chapman in his book, The 5 Love Languages. Number 4. Applying NLP or Neuro-Linguistic Programming to help you release any hurt or inhibitions from the past. Number 5. Applying CBT or Cognitive Behavioral Therapy techniques to help you eliminate your limiting beliefs or your negative beliefs about yourself so you can begin to see yourself and your partner more positive. Number 6. Many more techniques such as goal setting, positive affirmations, etc. to help you learn how to forgive various hurts and move on more positively. Maybe you're divorced and you want to heal from the pain of your divorce and also find a way to start again and perhaps find new love. If that is the case, well, I can help you because I myself have been through a divorce and I managed to get through it. Now, if I can manage, you too can. My coaching techniques will help you heal from the trauma of your divorce so you can move on positively with your life. Your happiness does not have to end just because you got divorced. Many people have been divorced and happily remarried after going through that initial pain of breaking up for good with someone you thought loved you and you trusted him or her, but who eventually let you down. Life carries on, and so must you. So, do you want to try dating again? I don't see why not. Are you worried about your age or that you already have children? So, in these days of the internet, anyone, however old, can find love and even get married, no matter what age. Well, I did. I found love after divorce and at a wonderfully ripe old age, if you like. And so can you, if that is your true desire. This is me and my new love on a short holiday, soon after our engagement. We got married just 1 year later. 4 years on, and we're still happy, thank goodness. So you can see that age has nothing to do with marital happiness. It just takes very careful and sincere effort from both sides. It's a give and take relationship. And there is no angel out there, I can assure you. Are you ready? If you're truly serious about finding happiness in your relationship, I'll be very happy to help you achieve your goal. Your happiness is important. Take the first step today. If I could do it, so can you. Visit www.lifemasterymasterclass.com www.lifemasterymasterclass.com and book a discovery call with me. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.